Okay, so we have web browsing now, guys. So what does web browsing mean? So let's go through the basic terms involved in web browsing. We have a lot to get through, so let's get started without any further ado. Browser. What's a browser? A browser is a software structure that allows a user to search and see information on the internet. Web browsers read HTML, CSS, and all programming tags and download documents and data in order to display content. HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol is a popular application level protocol for exchanging files on the interweb. That's why you see them on every single website. Now we have GET request. GET request is a method used to get data from a server specified resource. The GET method is one of the most frequent HTTP request types. Now what is a request type? Well, we will see that in the end. So now we have HTML. What does HTML mean? So it's a hypertext markup language that's a coding that organizes information and structures of a web page. Now we have port 80. Port 80 is a server. It's like a point in the server that listens and expects to receive information from the World Wide Web. So that's pretty useless if you ask me. But web server is a server that a computer holds web server software and website component files on a hardware side. For example, HTML documents, images, CSS, style sheets, and JavaScript files. And then we have SSL, a standard for secure sockets layer. And see, if you ask me, right, SSL is pretty useless. Post request, it's just a method of getting the, what do you call, port 80, right? You know how they get their, get request? That's an extra elaboration. Now, port 443, that's again useless. And then we have TLS. TLS is transport layer security. It encrypts data transferred over the internet so that eavesdroppers and hackers can't see what you're sending, especially when it's beneficial for private and sensitive data like passwords, credit cards, and beneficial correspondence. So that's really important. We use that in our everyday. We need it to be safe. Thanks.